What's up, folks? This is Wesley billion dollar virgin with another video for you that I'm going to teach you, all of you, okay? Even you, big head, right? Look, this is so simple here. Look, imagine $300 coming into your account every 30 minutes over and over and over again. Well, that's what I'm going to teach you real quickly here. Before I do that, let me show you something cool, okay? I want everybody to do something for me. I want you to put these words below, okay? This is very important. I want you to comment below, I can do this, okay? That's what I want you to do. I want you to just, if you're a brand new person on the internet, I want you to believe, look at this, that's $39,000. Imagine making $39,000. And let me do a refresh here, because I know some of you guys may say, well, look at this, $39,000. But what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to teach you for free. It's a little work that you have to do, but if you follow step by step, imagine $300 even per day. That's $9,000 per month. But you know what's so funny? Listen, I got a video from this guy here. Let's see if you recognize this guy, okay? Listen, let me show you something. You know who this guy is? Right, he just sent me this video. I don't know if you know his name, but let's see what he has to say. Give me a second. Let me turn the volume up real quickly. Oh, that's Grant Cardone. All right.
Hey, Wesley, big shout out, my friend. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you can to improve yourself. Be a great example for other people. The right ones will follow you, the wrong ones won't. And keep 10X in your business.
Oh, okay. Thank you, GC. But listen, forget about GC right now. What I'm going to show you real quickly is how to make $300 over and over and over and over again. Listen. You have to pay attention. I will advise you to get your laptop right now and do this with me. I'm going to do it step by step. I'm not going to miss one step. Listen, if you don't listen to the very end and you try to skip, well, that's like skipping class. You're going to fail the test, which means you're going to make $0. Okay, listen, each and every one of you. This is worldwide. It doesn't matter if you have zero experience. It doesn't matter if you've never made $1 online. Disclaimer is this: you won't make $1 million doing this, but you can make a ton of money doing this that eventually you can tell your boss to go to hell. Does that make sense? Can I get an amen? All right, listen, let me show you here. So the first site what you need to go to is what is called Redbubble.com. Please go there now. Understand something about the internet. It's hundreds of thousands of ways to make money online, but the average person is very skeptic. So when I show videos like this and I do them for free, some people who are naysayers and skeptics, they may say it's not going to work. It didn't work for me. Listen, that negative, cynical attitude is the reason why you're broke. What I'm going to tell the people that are willing to listen and do what I'm showing them right now, listen, forget those people. They're always going to be skeptics. Skeptic people are some of the brokest, poverty-stricken people on the planet. Remember that, okay? Rich people, we have an open mind and we understand that we got to put in the work. Even though Wesley is giving us a blueprint here, we still have to put in the work. Does that make sense? Let's go. All right, so go to Redbubble.com. Now listen, Redbubble.com is basically designs, okay? And you can sell these designs to people and make a ton of money. And guess what? You're not going to design anything. You don't have to be a Picasso. You don't need to be an artist. I promise you, because I'm going to show you some tricks here for free to make money online from your bedroom. I'm in my bed. I haven't left my bed since the morning. And as you can see here, I've already cleared about $39,000. That's not too bad. Why? Because I'm working, right? And I like making money every single day. Listen, everything else in life is cool, but money is what I just love. I love my kids and I love women and I love my parents, but money, woo! Money, just like Cardi B says, money is the power, and I want you to make it as well. Now check it out. So you're going to go here, okay? Now this site is very simple here. It's the designs that you just sell to people and they're going to click on it. And I'm going to show you exactly for free on how to do this, okay? So what you need to do is create yourself an account. I already have myself an account, so I'm going to log out. I want to do it from scratch here, okay? If you're with me, say, Wesley, I'm with you, which means that you actually have your laptop out and you're doing this with me, okay? Click on sell your art. All right, start selling. And listen, it's going to just follow me to the very end. I'm going to show you how to get tons of people to buy this stuff. It's crazy how this works. When I first saw it, I was like, people are really doing this. But, you know, $9,000 a month, it's not going to buy you a Lamborghini, but $9,000 a month, I believe it'll change your life. And you'll realize that you can make money online very easily if you follow through. So you're going to click on R to sign up. Okay, do that now. Put your email, username, and password here. Okay. Then what you want to do is click on log in. This is my username, Billions Now. Okay. Mr. Billionaire himself, Mr. Wesley Billionaire himself. And remember, feel free to always smash the like button only when I give you value. If I don't give you value, well, you don't have to smash the like button. Doesn't matter to me, because that means that I got to be a better teacher of explaining how to do this, okay? So we have the account. Makes sense? Then you go here, hit that guy in the glasses here, okay? Click on sell your art. It's very simple to do, by the way. And basically you click on add designs, okay? And all you do is upload your work or copy existing work, okay? Now I know what you're thinking. Wesley, well, I don't have any work. I don't design things. I don't draw. I don't do none of that. Guess what? I don't either. You know, as a matter of fact, I dropped out of college because it was just a waste of my time, and I decided to make money. So listen, you don't have to do this. This is the next website that you need to go to, okay? I'm going to show you something. Go to Free Designs Resources Net. Free Designs Resources.net, okay? Are you with me? Free Designs Resources.net, okay? Go to that website, because basically everything that you see here is free. You can download it for free, okay? So these are going to be the designs that you're going to take, and basically you're going to put on the website that I'm going to go back to and show you what you need to do to start making money online today, okay? So look, you go to graphics, right? Who can't do that? Click there, and look, you can put all this cool things on shirts, okay? Say if today you're going to design a shirt, all right? You can use icons, you can use backgrounds, watercolors here, high resolution. But what I like to use is this one. See that? How many of you have ever been in love? People like love for some reason. Like, they just love. People love roses, they like hearts, they like sex, they like kissing, they like hugging, right? So this is very popular. So guess what? You should do the same thing as well. We're going to take these icons, and guess what? It's free. You don't have to pay any money. You're going to download all these different images that you're going to put on shirts. And guess what? You don't have to have a printing factory. You don't have to do none of that stuff. You don't need a warehouse, none of that. Watch this. You're going to scroll down here. As a matter of fact, how many of you ever been in love? How many of you are in love right now? I love my baby so much. I love my boo. Whatever. Listen, I love money a little bit more than loving human beings. Like, I love people, but people are dynamic. They change, but money, it stays the same. And I can keep buying things over and over again. It has no emotions. All right, now check it out. Listen, I just downloaded it to my computer, right? Did you just download that? Valentine's Day things, because people like love. It is what it is, right? So you want to go back here. You want to click on upload new work here, okay? You see that? Now, these are all the images that I just downloaded to my computer. Now, if you notice here, I didn't design none of this stuff. So I just click on one, and as you can see here, it's going to upload right here. Look at that. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, a flower. Oh, yes. I love you so much because you gave me a flower. Yes, now I'm going to be your wife. Yes. Right? So check it out. So look down here. So within minutes, okay? Within minutes here, I've designed shirts, right? Let me ask you a question. Did I have to go to China and go get a bunch of shirts and get them shipped here through Alibaba? No. Within like 2 minutes, I'm in my bedroom, by the way, okay? Doesn't matter. And now I have over like 30 different shirts. I have pillows and totes, and I have phone wallets with that design that I just took for free, okay? And all the, look, even curtains here, right? Look, I mean, how long did it take me to do that? 1 minute probably, right? So you have to realize making money online is easy as long as you do the right thing at the right time, such as what I'm showing you here, okay? So look, now you want to do this. So you want to make a title, okay? I'm going to call it this. I'm going to call it the I love you I love you, Big Head Store, okay? Because I like calling people Big Head, like I call you Big Head. So I love you, Big Head Store. I love you, Big... No, I don't like that. That just sounds stupid. All right. Look, we're going to call it the I love you so much store. How much that? How about that, okay? That's what I'm going to call it. I love you so much store. That's going to be the name of your store. That's the name of my store. Listen, you can be creative with your name. Name it whatever you want. Be creative, right? All right? You can even put I hate love. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want. I love money. Whatever you want to put. Now here is where it gets a little bit cool because Redbubble here, we want to be able to use their algorithm, okay? And we want to cheat the system. This is what you want to do. So if this is about Valentine's Day, you want to type in Valentine's Day because this is how people find your store. And I'm going to give you another cool way on how to get sales like in the next 24 hours, okay? Look, Valentine's, love, lover, couple, rose. So these are tags here, right? Sex, right? All these tags I'm going to put here. Why? Because I want people to find all these amazing, lovable, beautiful shirts here and all these pillows, right? These whatever here, okay? So now here you want to put your description. Now the description needs to be something that's going to be very creative that people are going to run to basically buy your stuff. And they will. You'll see in a second. Watch this. Look at this. You can put I love you so much store. I love you to death. Oh my God. I love you to death. Jesus Christ. That's a lot of love, guys. To love somebody to death, I'd rather say I love you to life. You know what I mean? Because I believe in living, baby. Look at that. I love you to life store. Okay. Then as you can see here, everything is here. And then you go down here and click on save work. Okay. I'm sorry. We got to click here. No nudity, no lingerie, no adult language here. Stop that. All you nasty people, y'all stop. Y'all need to stop going to those websites. You know what I'm talking about. Stop it, okay? Be good. All right, look. So gonna let that process. And look at this. It took us about 5 minutes, and now we have a fully functional store full of shirts. Basically, if you scroll down here, I have a face mask with that lame guy with that rose. I'm sorry, not that lame guy. That cool guy with that rose here that he's giving to that young lady. I have a nice custom shirt with that logo. Listen, how much work did I do? I didn't do any work. And the great thing about Redbubble, they do the processing for you. They're going to pay you as well. So every time you sell this stuff, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I got your back. Smash the like button real quickly here. I'm going to pause. Smash the like button. I'm going to pause. Thank you so much. Now check it out. So, listen, everything is already here. It's ready for people to buy, right? So the question is, Wesley, what? How do I get people to buy this I'm sorry, not lovable, beautiful stuff here, right? Oh my God. How do you get people to buy this beautiful phone case for my boot? Listen, this is what you got to do, okay? You're going to go to the site right here. Watch me here. Okay? Are you with me? Give me a second. All right, you're going to go to this website right here. Bam, shotcart.com. Okay, shotcart.com. All right. Well, this is how you do it. This is the site I've been using for a very long time. Every time I launch a product, I go here first, and I always make about $10,000. I'm going to be honest with you, okay? And let me show you something real cool here. You just sign up for free. I'm going to log out, okay? Give me a second. And I'm going to register for free because, just like you don't have any money. All right. Well, I do have money, but I know some of you don't. And listen, check it out. You are a brand. Okay. Hit continue. Fill out the information and then you log in. Okay. So everybody with me? Comment below if you're with me right now. I'm just curious. I just hope if you got lost in the sauce, say, Wesley, I got lost. If you got lost, all you need to do is pause this video and rewind the video and watch it again. Okay, big head? Does it make sense? So listen, ShotCart allows you to pay people like $10 and they'll do some great things for you. Let me show you something here. So imagine this. Imagine you went through your store, you got your Redbubble. It's already done. Like this is ready right now. That means if people click on this stuff and buy, Redbubble is going to pay me a commission. They're going to pay me whatever you price it. They're going to pay you money and they're going to pay themselves, right? Automatically. And they're going to send you paychecks every single week. They're going to do all the shipping for you. They're going to do all the refund. They do everything. All you do is collect the checks. I'm going to be honest with you. That's all you need to do. If you can collect checks, then I want you to come at the word, let's go. Okay? Please. Now. So check it out. Look at that. $15. So you pay this guy $15. He's going to send your link to 50,000 people right now. Listen, if you had 1,000 people out of 50,000 actually buy this stuff at $10 a pop, that's $10,000, by the way. Okay. So, and listen, $30, $10, even 10, like 540,000 people. If you give this guy $10, I know you guys think this is insane, but this is what internet marketers do. And I'm giving you guys, I'm showing you love here. I don't have to do these videos, by the way. As a matter of fact, show me some love right now, because I love you. Hit that like button, boo. Let's go. All right. I'm sorry, guys. I'm in a good mood today. Listen, $10 here, okay? And they're going to send your Redbubble store, your I Love You Big Head store, to 540,000 people, okay? If you get 500 sales and 500, sorry, folks. If you get 500 people to like take action and buy it, it's like $5,000. Okay. Make sense? Are you with me? And guess what? That's it. That's all you have to do. If you just got here, you just need to watch the video again. I will leave this on my YouTube. I will leave this on Instagram as well. And listen, I mean, that's just how the money is made. Now listen, this is not going to make you a multimillionaire. Like, you're not going to earn $1 million per month or $100,000 per month doing this, okay? But this can help you to leave your job. Now listen, if you want to learn my strategy on how I became an internet millionaire in my early 30s, okay, look, this is all you need to do right here. I help people every single day. Listen, I started off with nothing. I started off on a goddamn air mattress because I was a computer engineer and I got sick and tired of going to meetings and traveling the world. I know that sounds crazy, but I just got tired of trading time for dollars. And I made a decision. I said, screw it. I said, I'm done. I'm done making other people wealthy. I said, I want to be wealthy. Okay. At the age of 27, I quit my job. And it took me about 7 years to do this. And I made $1 million in 1 month. Now listen, I'm not going to promise you $1 million in 1 month, but I have very successfully helped hundreds of thousands of people earn $10,000 a month in 45 days flat. At this link is a course. It's very simple. Okay. Yes, you must be willing to put in the work, but I promise you, you're going to have a ton of fun through the process. Because I just know how to teach people in a way that they get it and they take it and they take action now. I want you to picture yourself where you are right now. And I want you to think about what led you to watch this video. Obviously, you want to make money and you want to make money fast and online. But if you don't have the right tools, if you don't have the right mentors, right, then you'll never make money. You'll just always be searching YouTube videos. What I'm doing is this. I'm giving you an opportunity to look at it. You don't have to buy it. Just look at it. If it's something that resonates with you, if you say, you know, Wesley, I'm willing to put in the work for 45 days, hardcore. I'm willing to separate from the world for 45 days. That's what I did. I mean, I was focused for 45 days. I didn't talk to people for 45 days. And I made $1 million. I mean, it's a true story. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about in this link here. If that's what you want, if you want me to train you and teach you so you can transition your life. I don't know how much money you're making. I don't know what kind of car you drive. I don't know what kind of life you have. I know this is the pandemic right now, and a lot of people, unfortunately, are struggling financially. Listen, this could be your lifeline. I'm not sure if it is, but if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to work with me to make this happen, go to this link right now, okay? Go to this link right now, okay? I love you guys. This is Wesley. I'm sorry. You know what I got to do? Listen, hit the like button because I'm getting ready to scream. So show me some love if I gave you value. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Wow.